I just looked at some media that have the stock sound effect of a British police siren from the Hollywood Edge European edition. Proud sponsored by Pinewood Studios. I mean, a proud sponsor of Pinewood Studios. And when I get to the links of the episodes that have the sound effect, a different sound effect is played. This time is it's a different sound effect in the same subject. Sorry for the long pauses. I'm gonna compare these three sound effects for you all. This time it was the same subject in a similar sound effect. Two of these are from the BBC second edition sound library, CD45. In Britain, wait a minute. Ugh, I don't know what the CD title is. I think it's $999 in Britain, but in the US and elsewhere, they called the CD emergency with an exclamation mark. Okay, let's get into it. Like I said, same sound effect, similar sound effect. No, same subject, similar sound effect. Let's get into it. You tell the difference. This sound effect needs a lot of clarification. It's impossible to tell each other apart. Up next, on I'm pondering. Up next on same subject, similar sound effect. Blackbird singing on the dead of night. Two of these sound effects are from the BBC original sound effects library and the second edition of the BBC sound effects library. Have fun clarifying.